Welcome to my channel, SteveO the Window Cleaner. Today we are going to talk about the Xero Pure Pack. Just want to tell you a little bit about what this does. So this is basically a backpack pump sprayer that has been customized to work with your water fed pole. So it's got these fittings out here, so basically you can attach your water fed pole hose right into this. It's just a push to fit, so we'll get to that later. Has a battery on here that lasts off one charge about 10 hours, and then you can take that off, and it also comes with a charger too. You can hold up to 4 gallons of water on here. This will last about 12 minutes continuously if you are running it. Here is your on-off switch. You just turn it on for water to come out and then off for the water to stop. The top here is just a twist top. I've already filled this with pure water. You do need to have a pure water system. This does not create pure water, so you'll use your DI or RODI system to fill it up with pure water. Has this little mesh guard here in case there's debris, but there you go. There is just the water inside. That's pure water out of my DI system. Just twist that back on for it to stay. Now, of course, you can wear this as a backpack. It has adjustable straps here to make it comfortable, but once again, it is 4 gallons of water, so if you just want to hold it here and bring it to where you need it to, then that's perfect too. Really, the application for this is very special circumstances. This is in case you just have some windows that you just can't get your system to, and you just need to clean, you know, about 12 minutes of windows, so you got to think about that. It runs at about 25 psi through 30 feet of hose. But anyways, so I just want to show you guys more of just it in use. So if you turn on this power button here, there's the amount of water coming out. Okay, so now if I attach that to the hose from the water fed pole, first turn it off, water fed pole hose goes into here. Make sure this side's engaged too. Now remember, this is an on-off valve, so, but I would just keep it open because we're going to do on and off from the button. So this is going to the pencil jets, and this is through about 40 feet of hose. Boom. So you get that much water through there. Okay. Let me attach it to the rinse bar. So the rinse bar is okay, but I did test this yesterday, and when you go up to about 30 feet, you start to lose some pressure on here. So honestly, if you're gonna use this Xero Pure Pack, I would strongly suggest just using the 2 pencil jets or the 4 pencil jets if you have that in your brush. But the next test, let's just go clean some windows at the back of my house. I wanna do a height test of it, and then just kind of show you guys in action of just how it is. You know, there's not much to talk about it more, but I just want to also show you guys that height difference. So I'll show you guys putting it on like a backpack. You can do it, but it's heavy. But there it is. Not like I'm struggling. I could do this for a good, 12 minutes, but it's, like I said, it's a special item for situations when you need it. So my button is on the left over here. I'm gonna bring up all my water fed hose. I've got about 45 feet of water fed hose on my 40-foot water fed pole here. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you me cleaning that window, and then we're gonna extend it. But I attached it back to the pencil jets, so we'll turn it on. Get a pretty good flow there of water. My brush angle kind of sucks there. So it definitely has enough pressure to clean the second floor easily. So it's good on that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to extend this pole 40 feet, and I'm going to see if I can get the water to travel all the way up that high. So I am getting water at 40 feet. So this thing fully extended. Of course, it's having some bow because it's not against a wall and it's kind of windy. But I am getting out of 2 pencil jets enough water to clean, definitely. And it's going far. So that's awesome. Well, that is the Xero Pure Pack. I get a lot of questions about it, so just wanted to make this quick video about it. But I could definitely see it helpful in some applications that, like if you have something at a job where you really need to clean the frames or something, you don't want to take the whole system out, or a few French doors, or just a few windows. But you know, it's a tool to add to your arsenal. Not everyone will need it, but I just want to make a video on it since we have it now. And if you have any questions about it more, comment below. But that is the Xero Pure Pack. Y'all have a good one. Bye-bye.